Good day, teachers. Today I want to show you how quickly and easily you can make an activity in Quizizz. They have thousands of existing quizzes, and you can take a look at those by searching for your topic. But rather than spending time shopping for a quiz that is already made that I can use, I'm going to show you how I can make my own very quickly. So we're going to start with the Create button right over here. And we're going to choose Assessment. For our content today, I'm going to go to our 8th grade civics curriculum and go to the curriculum guide and choose a website in the recommended resources here that's linked right there. So we're going to ask Quizizz to build us a resource out of just the link to this website. So we're going to choose Generate with AI. On this screen, we're going to choose website because that's what we have the link for, and we're just going to paste that link in. I'm going to choose the number of questions. I'm going to choose 10, and it's already here, Social Studies 8th grade, but obviously you can change those and click Generate Quiz. So Quizizz did all the heavy lifting here for writing the quiz, but now is the teacher's super important job, and that's to read, not skim, but read every single question and all 4 answer choices and make sure that the questions are correct and answerable. In addition to carefully reading questions and throwing out the bad ones, we can also make some cool additions to these questions. For example, we'll start right here with this first question, which looks good to me. Here's where I can add some cool things to it. One of the things that I can add is an answer explanation. And if I want to use this as a lesson that they're going to learn from, that answer explanation is really going to help. AI will actually write it for me. I can edit it. And if I like it, then just click Apply the changes. There's a button that actually lets me add answer explanations to every single question. And then again, I would just go through and check all of those and make sure that they were correct. To edit the question itself, you click the Edit pencil. And they do have our Virginia SOLs. So if you are interested in tagging your questions to a particular SOL, that's something that you can do right here. Once you've finished revising your activity, you're ready to publish it. And that's your next step, is the purple button over here that says Publish. And you'll receive an email notification when that quiz is ready to use. When you're ready to assign the quiz, these are the choices that you have, and you have tons of choices now in Quizizz. Sort of the classic game mode that's been around for a while. Mastery Peak is a more fun activity, more like a video game, still asks the same questions, but there's more video game elements to it that the students might enjoy. You can use it to teach with and make it instructor paced. You can give it as a test, which eliminates all of those gaming components. And then you can also assign it as a team activity. That's something that we used to be able to do with Quizlet, which we can't use anymore. So team mode is a way to utilize this resource to play a collaborative game in your class. Over here, before you assign it, you can give students either an unlimited try at each question or a number of tries at each question, assign redemption questions, or strike and shield, which lets them, again, that's more of a game thing where they can attack each other, attack the person who's leading the game. Makes it a lot more like a video game. And then just click Start. Since we do have the paid version, you can assign it to classes in Google Classroom. And then also with our paid version, we can assign individual students individual accommodations. So that's a really great feature as well. Please let me know if I can help you. And remember, be brave, be kind, and do good work.